because I don't want to miss the class.
It reminds me one
Yeah.
शेर रेनू.
Yes, sir.
रोज सोचता हूँ तेरी गली में कदम नहीं रखूंगा, रोज तेरी गली में कोई ना कोई काम निकल आता
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Very good.
मैंने पता है सुबह से अभी तक कितनी बार भगवान को याद नहीं किया आज, ऐसे मैंने बोला ये भगवान भगवान को याद नहीं कर रहे, क्लास करना है नहीं करना है, दैट इज गोइंग ऑन इन माय लाइक रिपीटेशन.
क्या कहते हैं, सारिका इज नॉट कमिंग टुडे बिकॉज ऑफ हर son's birthday. Ritu till now she
ओके.
hasn't.
ओके.
So Sarvin
है.
said,
Ritu is not
what?
coming.
No, I don't know about it. She did not post the message.
Okay.
अच्छा, इज सारिका
She
told
is not.
anything?
Sarika is not coming.
अच्छा. ओके.
So I'm not giving you anything. Let's have a discussion, a general discussion, and it should be in a sequence. Everybody should get the same time to speak. So, Renu, would you suggest any topic?
Sir, now right now I'm blank, but
Aparna?
we can start with anything.
Mm, Navratri.
Uh,
Navratri, we can take this.
okay,
You
let's
have.
speak something
Uh,
about Navratri. So, why don't you start, Aparna? It's your go.
okay. As you know, we celebrate Navratri with the pop and show all the matlab every year. But this time and then last 2 years we are not able to celebrate because due to amid to come corona. And this time also we are celebrating, but we are following with the protocol of the COVID-19. So Garba is my passion, is my zeal, and I am very fond of Garba. When I was um, sprinter, I was single. That time I used to go with my mom to learn Garba in a workshop. 10 days go workshop was there. So I have learned. I learned Garba 10 days every year till 5 or 6 years. So and the Navratri, starting of the Navratri, we started 4 days. We danced in a very big ground with a very crowd, very much crowd, and from 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the morning at midnight we dance. We constant dancing, constant danced on the ground with zeal and without having any tediousness and without any hungerness. Means it was so much joy and josh and zeal and enthusiasm about the dancing. You cannot stop yourself anytime. Yes, whatever you are doing on the dancing, and you are just like a alcoholic. Means you are danceaholic. Yeah, it type and this type of fashion was this type of
I was having
junoon
this
of
kind of passion.
junoon zeal of the dance. Sir.
I was having this kind of passion.
I was having this kind of passion. It was nice. Matlab, I had very nice days before the marriage and on Garba. I have learned Garba directly from the Gujarat party. They used to come every year to teach us Garba 10 days. and we learned with the dhol bajawe, with a typical or authentic garba we used to learn, and it was full of joy. I when Renu Bhabi called me to dance with her, so I was remembering that days gone away. That days gone away, and I used to dance with joy with my mom and my family, bhaiya and bhabhi, and my friends from 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock at the midnight.
Acha,
That's
in Jabalpur you are talking about?
Jabalpur, yeah.
Okay, okay. Very nice. So it happens that dance happens all over India, I think. है ना?
Gujarat, and it is started with the one newspaper, Dainik Bhaskar. They have given one ad on it कि the Garba dance workshop is there 10 days. So authentic team is coming to teach you all. So anybody who wants to join. So it was free that time. Next time they are means there was a fees for learning 200 250 this. So we started from 100, then it went to when I was dancing, so it went to 400, 500. Then I got married and I came here.
Okay, so you already learned Garba, na? Before marriage. So you know that.
I
Okay, very nice. Very good. So actually, that Garba has typical steps, but that is not easy. It seems easy if, when we watch na, dancing people. So it appears like it is very easy, but when it comes to doing, no, so it is quite difficult.
difficult dance and
Yeah, for
boom,
non-dancers, it is difficult. Yeah.
ghera, hitch, dance steps, tali, and dandiya all together is takes time to learn. What about your experience? You have
Mine was,
learned one
yeah,
day.
yeah, actually, it was the first time for me to learn dance professionally, you can say. So I enjoyed the steps and everything. So it is actually, I don't remember the step sequentially. So, but I managed somehow. But now I remember most of the steps. One, two, I forget. And it is a nice experience to actually matlab, I was busy throughout, but taking time for myself and going. Frankly speaking, it's not for me. It's for my Gudiya Soumya. I thought ki if I will not join, she will not join. So just because she should know, so I joined for her. And I asked my sister-in-law. She also accompanied us. So we had a great day, 15 days, and we learned very what you can say religiously. Whatever I do, like I do from my core of my heart. So I put all my efforts. So I have done we have enjoyed daily learning and doing everything. So actually, that Navratri, na, from childhood, I like this Navratra, and my parents know my mother. They don't keep fast, but I keep fast every time. So from long back, I was keeping the fast. Some years, for some years, I have not kept fast, but most of the years, twice a year it comes. So I uh, keep fast twice a year for whole days. So it is basically the concept is to clean your system and to be light and to make your immunity. Actually, that Navratri comes in the change of two weathers, no?
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah,
Changing system.
changing, yeah. So our
What is it?
system become ready. We have to educate our system to be ready for the other weather. So basically I fast to just I want to be I don't want to sleep much. So I want to keep fast, that I should meditate, I should chant more. So that is the concept of my like fasting. So I just look forward for Navaratri every year. And and Devi Ma, it's a blessing that otherwise we cannot restrict, and this is the way to restrict yourself. Like we are not having your favorite one's favorite things, no. During these things there is a restriction, so we have that like ability to restrict ourselves. So that is also very nice. So in totality I like the Navratri days and keeping fast.
The fasting in Navratri is the is it was made by our ancestors just because of, and it connected with the ritual things because of, in this way the people can keep the fast on these day and 9 days because of weather changing, and the body is capable to adjust itself on the 9 days, can adjust that when weather change. So this kind of thing, it was made by the very scientifically by the our um, ancestor, you can say. It is nice thing, and everything is, if we see that it belongs to science and rich I mean reason also.
Scientifically there is a reason behind everything, yeah.
Sir would like to say.
Yes, but I will say in a brief, uh, as the name is Navratri, basically 9 nights. Uh, Scientifically, the 9 nights are uh, for the worship of goddess, and means scientifically the all the grahas are in a particular position during these 9 days. As you are saying, this is a Ritu Sandhi, it is called. So the two weathers are, this is a middle of two weathers. The globe is changing its particular position. The earth is changing its position. So really it was actually uh, nights. The it was celebrated. It was not celebrated like this with Garba and all, but it was for the worship of goddess or worship of power, internal powers to develop your. Uh, Renu, what are they called? One, two, three, four, seven chakras, eight
Seven
Yeah,
chakras.
chakra,
chakras. Yeah,
seven chakra.
chakras.
So it is actually, it was made actually for developing your chakras by the Rishi Munis. Later, what happened? Sometimes it was not possible for a common man to remain awake whole the night because he goes sleepy. So they added some spices, you can say. Okay, play Garba, start dancing, so we will be awake all the night. And automatically we will get the rays, positive rays and all. Whether you are, okay, the senior people are worshipping there. And okay, sometimes what happens if you are going out for worshipping at night, midnight. So I'm just imagining earlier what used to happen. He, the children woke up. They said, "I also want to go. I would like to join you. Come on. I want to come along." So Okay, they said come. And they said, now what will they do? Okay, start dancing. Remain busy over there. We will be worshipping here. You remain busy over there. Like this, I think it all started. And really, if you really want to develop your um, adhyatmic level, if you want to increase your spiritual level, so this is very good. These are very good. 9 days are very good to develop. And I put here full stop. Ritu has come. Let's come to the point. Ritu, can you tell me, did I give you any interactive sentence yesterday?
Yes, sir, I'm telling you. Yes, sir. You have given now is the time.
Okay. Please ask next related question to Aparna. Ki what is the Hindi meaning? And go ahead.
Aparna, what is the Hindi meaning of this interactive sentence?
Ritu, the Hindi meaning of now is the time is जितने यही समय है.
Okay.
What was the idiom? Renu Bhabi?
Everything is fair in love and war. Everything is fair in love and war. Ritu, what is the Hindi meaning of this idiom?
Mm, the Hindi meaning of the Hindi meaning of this idiom is everything is fair. Sorry, मोहब्बत और जंग में सब जायज है.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Aparna, can you tell me which chapter is going on?
So present perfect is going on.
You know, ladies, I am asking these questions just for nothing. Actually, I am adjusting my tripod in a proper position. That's why I switched off my camera. And now it's properly arranged. To move heaven to earth. Have I given you this idiom?
Sir, please come again. Who?
To
No, sir.
move heaven to earth. Huh. I think it is
Yes,
not me.
sir.
Firstly, I am giving you interactive sentence. It is very common and easy. Uh, Here is here. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Can you guess the meaning?
या ये लीजिए आपकी ये रही आपकी चाय.
Change the object, ladies, and talk to somebody. Means you can make this sentence like this. My mama asked, "Beta, is the tea ready?" So I fetched the tea and I said, "Mama, here is your tea." Like this.
Renu Bhabi, there is your earrings. You have forgotten in my place. So here is your earrings.
At my place. Okay. Ritu, here is your coffee. Ritu, are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Here is your coffee. ये रही आपकी coffee.
Okay, I'm coming for having your coffee. Thank you so
अरे
much.
you should say only thank you. That's all.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Most welcome. Most welcome.
Okay. Aparna, here is your passport. This is very important document.
Oh wow, thank you. You got it.
Yeah.
I have forgotten your place. Wow. Thank you so much.
ये रहा अपर्णा, ये रहा आपका पासपोर्ट. ये बहुत important document.
Is it visible, Aparna?
Yes, sir, clearly visible. To move heaven to earth. To move heaven to earth.
Can anybody guess the meaning?
सर काम आसान करना.
अच्छा प्रयास करें जवाब. Nice effort, but it was wrong answer. Wrong guessing. Okay, keep trying.
धरती से आसमान तक नहीं.
गगन से धरा तक. गगन से
सर
धरा.
असंभव
धरा.
होना, जो कभी हो ना सके.
जमीन आसमान एक करना.
आसमान एक करना.
अच्छा.
Guys, as you are watching, these kind of sentences are supposed to be very important and level sentences. Uh, they start with to. Have I already talked about it? And you can see the Hindi at the last of the Hindi. So can anybody tell me ये पूरा वाक्य किस स्वरूप में काम कर रहा है अगर व्याकरण की बात करें?
ये पूरा वाक्य वर्ब के रूप में काम कर रहा है.
ये पूरा वाक्य एक क्रिया की तरह काम कर रहा है. तो चलिए अपन शुरुआत करते हैं. इसी बहाने एक रिवीजन होगा. सिंपल स्टार्टिंग. अपर्णा, कैन यू मूव हेवन टू अर्थ टू डू इट?
Yes, sir, definitely. I will move heaven to earth.
चैप्टर अपन चैप्टर से चल रहे हैं. पूरा रिवीजन करेंगे, है ना? कैन
Yes,
यू
sir.
मूव हेवन टू अर्थ टू डू इट?
Yes, sir, definitely. I can move heaven to earth to do this.
क्या आप इसे करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर सकते हैं?
हाँ सर, मैं बिल्कुल यह करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर सकती हूँ.
चाहो तो सब्जेक्ट बदल देना. पढ़ना सभी लोग चाहें तो सब्जेक्ट बदल सकते हैं. हमने यू रखा है. आप सब्जेक्ट बदल सकते हैं और अपन लास्ट चैप्टर तक जाते हैं जहां तक दिया है, एक एक करके.
रेणु भाभी, Soumya move could Soumya move heaven to earth for study to study?
Yes, Aparna. She could move heaven to earth for her studies.
पढ़ाई के लिए सौम्या जमीन आसमान एक कर सकती थी.
हाँ, सौम्या पढ़ाई के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर सकती थी.
कर सकती. हाँ.
कर सकेगी. कर सकी.
सकी.
कर सकी. Okay. Ritu, have you moved?
Should भाभी, you have to take and subject change करना.
Actually, a lot of voice is here, so that's why I'm telling them not to make voice while I'm speaking. So okay, so Ritu, should should your husband move forward, move heaven to earth to make you happy?
Well, Renu, yes, he moved heaven to earth, make me happy.
Sorry. Chapter. Where is chapter?
हाँ,
With
okay. Well, Renu, he should move heaven to earth, make me happy.
very good.
क्या
You have taken
क्या
pronoun.
आप या क्या आपके हस्बैंड आपको खुश करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक करेंगे,
कर कर सकते
कर
नहीं,
सकते हैं?
करना
शुड
चाहिए
करे करे
आपके हस्बैंड
फिर
हाँ
करना चाहिए।
करना चाहिए या
हाँ, उन्हें मुझे खुश करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक करना चाहिए, जो कि कभी नहीं करेंगे। अपर्णा, which word I have to start?
प्रेजेंट सिंपल.
simple.
Okay. Aparna, do you move heaven to earth for
Change the subject. Do you हो गया? Sir has taken you.
okay. Do they move heaven to earth for nurture their kids?
Yeah, Ritu. They they move heaven to earth for nurture their kids. Nurture
क्या
ना?
उन्हें, हाँ, nurture, NURTURE, क्या उन्हें अपने बच्चे को पालन पोषण के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर दे, क्या वो अपने बच्चे के पालन पोषण के लिए जमीन आसमान एक करते हैं?
हाँ, वो अपने बच्चों के पालन पोषण के लिए पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के पालन पोषण के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर. Yes, Ritu. Parents move heaven to earth for nature of their kids.
हम्म,
अपने बच्चों के लिए पेरेंट्स जमीन आसमान एक कर देते हैं पालन पोषण के. ओके, रेणु भाभी, डिड इंडिया move heaven to earth to for improvement?
Yes, Aparna, India moved forward to moved heaven to earth for what, for what improvement.
Improvement.
Yeah, for improvement.
क्या इंडिया ने इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर दिया?
हाँ, इंडिया ने इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए जमीन आसमान कर दिया था.
Development. You wanted to put here development.
डेवलपमेंट या
डेवलपमेंट.
Hmm.
okay. Now it is a future simple tense ना, है ना? So क्या subject will will के साथ subject क्या लेना? will ऐश्वर्या will move heaven to earth to prove herself.
कम अगेन भाभी, प्लीज.
will ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन move heaven to earth to prove herself? Ritu, you have to answer.
Renu, please come again.
will क्या बोलते हैं? ऐश्वर्या move heaven to earth to prove herself.
Yes, she moved heaven to earth to prove herself.
Sorry.
She will
हाँ
have moved heaven to earth to prove herself.
शी रखने के लिए तालियां, प्रोनाउन रखने के लिए, लेकिन चैप्टर नहीं लगाया उसके लिए थम्स डाउन।
देखो
She will move heaven to earth to prove herself. हाँ,
क्या ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन अपने आप को प्रूव साबित
करने
करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक करेगी?
हाँ, वह अपने आप को साबित करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक करेगी। I think my tense is present perfect.
No, present continuous tense.
Present continuous.
Okay. Uh, are they move heaven to earth for
Come again, Ritu. Sorry.
they are moving? No, are they moving heaven to earth for her IIT examination?
Well, Ritu.
बेटा टू से जोड़ने की आदत डेवलप करो और उसके आगे क्रिया बहुत खूबसूरती से जुड़ती है। टू क्रैक आईआईटी एग्जाम बड़ा खूबसूरत लगता है।
हाँ, to crack. Yes.
पूरा बोलो बेटा।
Okay. Are they moving heaven to earth for their to crack their IIT exam?
अपर्णा एक बार कम अगेन बोलो।
Come again, Ritu.
Are they moving heaven to earth for crack their IIT exam? Sorry. Are they moving heaven to earth for for crack for their IIT examination? क्या हो गया? Confuse हो गया।
बेटा पूरा तो बताया, रख के बताया हमने। तुम्हें ये जो फॉर की आदत है ना, याद है अपर्णा हम शुरू में बोलते थे कि हिंदी मीडियम को फॉर बहुत प्रिय होता है, और ये फॉर की आदत अगर कम हो गई तो टू को फेविकोल का नाम इसलिए दे के रखा है कि उससे फट से जोड़ सकते हैं।
Are they moving heaven to earth crack their IIT exams?
बेटा
क्या
हमने पूरा सीधा सीधा
अपने
बताया था, फिर
IIT
भी नहीं
एग्जाम
सुना तुमने, आप सुन लो। टू क्रैक आईआईटी एग्जाम, अब इससे ज्यादा हम नहीं
हाँ,
बताए। टू क्रैक आईआईटी एग्जाम।
are they moving heaven to earth to crack their IIT exam?
Well, Ritu, they are definitely moving heaven to earth to crack their IIT exam.
अपने IIT एग्जाम को क्रैक करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, रितु जरूर वे आईआईटी एग्जाम क्रैक करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर रहे हैं। Was Shahrukh Khan moving heaven to earth to get bail for his son? You're mute, Bhabhi.
Okay. Yes, um, he was क्या है moving heaven to earth. वही है ना? He was moving heaven to earth um, to क्या था क्वेश्चन?
Get
टू गेट
bail
हाँ हाँ टू
bail
गेट बेल हाँ टू गेट बेल या
for her son.
फॉर हिज सन
His son, sorry.
या
क्या शाहरुख खान अपने बेटे के लिए बेल कराने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर रहा था?
हाँ वह अपने बेटे को बेल दिलाने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर रहा था. नाउ इट इज अ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस ना. ओके सो will be, shall be. Who will be, who will be moving heaven to earth to achieve his goal? Ritu, who will be moving heaven to earth to achieve his goal?
My son Kshitij is moving. No, son Kshitij will be moving heaven to earth to achieving his goal. To
कौन
achieve his goal.
ओके कौन अपने लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक
एक
करता है करता करता
कर रहा
रहेगा करता
मेरा
रहेगा
बेटा क्षितिज अपने लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक करता रहेगा.
ओके नाउ here is a present perfect tense now it comes ritu ji
Present perfect. Okay. Has she Parna, has she moved heaven to earth for her?
Sorry.
Beta, we were making sentences of present perfect yesterday.
Has or have लगेगा ना.
लगेगा, बरोबर लगेगा.
तो inverted में फिर has से start होगा ना.
होगा.
Has she moved heaven to earth for
सच
20 का दंड लगेगा. Only yesterday we were playing present perfect tense. And she made one last sentence successfully. Ritu made the last sentence successfully. I think भारत जीत गया है और पाकिस्तान हार गया, something like
yes,
that. She made it successfully. Guys, sometimes I give this kind of, you can say, revision.
Park has moved heaven to earth for one rare match.
Come again, Ritu.
Park has moved heaven to earth for one
Are you
rare match.
questioning or answering better?
I'm not questioning, sir.
But you should question.
Okay. Has Park moved to earth for one match?
Your voice chopped and CC did not come. Speak softly because this is sophisticated device.
Okay, sir. Aparna, has has Pakistan moved heaven to earth to win the match?
अब देखो तुम टू के बाद थर्ड फॉर्म लगा रही बेटा. You are using third form after two.
Okay, sorry, sir. Has Pak moved heaven to earth?
Would you mind opening your present perfect tense?
Sir, that sentence in front of me, Pak World Cup हार गया है. Pak has lost the World Cup.
Yes, you can make formula by the help of sentence, or you can make the sentence with the help of formula. Every sentence is a formula. Every sentence is itself a formula.
But I'm making sir inverted sentence now. So
So, are
Pak,
you making past simple?
no sir.
You
I'm
are
making
making present perfect.
present perfect.
And perfectness comes with a particular word. Otherwise, perfectness does not come.
So Pak has moved heaven to earth to win the match.
Please question.
Aparna, has Pak moved heaven to earth to win the match?
Speak softly. Google Meet is taking first form of the verb as you are speaking. And if your CC is not on, put your CC on.
My CC is on, sir.
Hmm. My CC is also on. And CC is showing the wrong application of present perfect tense.
Formula. What is the formula?
Aparna, if she knows the formula, she would not make mistake. That's why I indicated every sentence is a formula. Every sentence is itself a formula. This is reflexive
One,
pronoun.
one. Win, one, one.
Hmm. Now you are on the correct path.
Win, one, one. Has Pakistan moved heaven?
No. Now you can say that Ritu is moving heaven to earth.
जमीन आसमान एक कर रही है कोई.
To
To
make
recall
sentence.
the formula of present perfect tense. To recall the formula of present perfect.
Sir, helping verb plus subject,
Hmm.
verb plus extension.
The total game depends on the verb.
और third form
Some
लगेगा sir.
V1, V2, V3. Which you
V3
will take?
V3 लगेगा. Has uh, moved heaven to earth uh, to win match. क्या पाकिस्तान जमीन आसमान एक कर देगा मैच जीतने के लिए?
Dega is future simple tense beta.
अरे क, कर दिया है. क्या पाकिस्तान ने मैच जीतने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर दिया है?
Beta Ritu, firstly you should ask English question. Aparna will answer, then complete the process.
नहीं सर, पास। थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया है।
No, no, you are right. But you are asking both the Hindi English sentences together. You should ask one by one.
ओके, तो सर माय इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन वाज राइट?
Actually, you are making so much effort to speak. Your voice is, the pitch of your voice is so high, and sometimes Google's does not take correct word. So
ओके,
please, if you speak softly, Google will take every word correctly.
हैज स्पार्क मूव हेवन टू अर्थ when the ma- when the
You can
matter.
now you can see your CC. Everybody can see. Now it's gone.
Has spark moved heaven to earth? नहीं बन रहा।
No, no, you can do it. Believe it. You can do it. There is only one word problem. And this one thing is good. There are only three people present today. Do not lose your hope. Do not leave your efforts. Go ahead. You can do it.
Has the आएगा सर, has the spark नहीं, has spark moved सर, वही वही आ रहा है बार बार, मुंह में नहीं बन रहा है मुझसे।
Now you should go and take the register.
You can change the sentence. If you want, you can change the sentence, then you can see the.
Okay, I'm opening present perfect tense.
I'm giving you one more hint, Ritu. You can open present perfect. Meanwhile, listen to me. I ask one question every day, and I have been asking this question from the first day of the class. क्या आपने ये लिख लिया है? क्या मैं इसे मिटा दूं? I have been asking this question regularly. क्या मैं इसे मिटा दूं? Sentence belongs to present perfect tense. Have you written this? I always ask this. Have you written this?
Yes sir, I have written this. हम लोग ये आंसर देते हैं।
Ah, now your answer is correct. My question is correct. Now what is the confusion? The answer has come.
Have
Answer.
आएगा सर, पाक के संग have नहीं।
The problem is not with the helping verb. The problem is somewhere else. Your
Has the
helping verb is correct.
has the park moved heaven to
Only
earth?
two helping verbs. Simple has have. It is correct. Because you are already having one sentence in front of you.
Has the park moved heaven to earth?
Sorry, beta, it is wrong. You से पूछ लो question. You can ask this question with you. With you subject.
Aparna, have you moved heaven to earth? Uh,
Sorry. Beta, present perfect is the first tense where we use that particular form of the verb. Before present perfect, we never use that particular form of verb. First time we use that form of verb in present perfect. Otherwise, we never use in can, could, should, present simple, past simple, future simple, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. We never use
Okay,
that
sir, I will try.
particular form of the verb.
Aparna, have you grabbed the top from the cell? Have you grabbed? Arey,
We are taking interactive sentence today,
Idiom is
haven't?
not attractive idiom.
okay.
Medium, sorry.
Have you moved heaven to earth to grab top?
You are not visible, but I am visible. I show my thumbs down accurately at the same place where you make mistake. Where you make mistake. जहाँ आप गलती करती हैं. Clause. Where you make mistake. I'm exactly showing my thumbs down.
रेणु भाभी सो गई रेणु
No,
भाभी
no,
सो गई
I'm not sleeping. I am making design, you know. Yeah, see,
अच्छा
see.
डिजाइन
Designing.
अच्छा मेहंदी डिजाइन
I have that time pass. Na, either I write something or I just make flowers. She is taking V3 now. Now what happened to her? I don't know why she is. Ritu, you have to.
There is one more actually. I don't know you noticed or not.
Yeah.
Her pitch of voice is different. So Google takes some words wrong. You can see I'm not speaking very harshly.
Yeah.
I'm speaking very softly, and Google is taking each and every word correctly and properly as you are watching on CC. You can see I'm speaking very softly.
So tell Aparna to make this sentence. She will listen and she it will be clear in on her mind.
But this is the process we have gone through
Sir, but
last 27
as
years.
sir, actually, I'm telling you, as we are women, no, and we are like middle-aged women, so we forget the things. So I just
So
forget so
today
much
my
things.
mind is not working
So
properly
it
because
happens, sir.
last night at 1 o'clock I have a sleeping pill. So I'm feeling dreams. That's why my mind is not working properly.
Okay, Ritu was asking to Aparna, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, behalf of Ritu, I'm asking. Uh, Aparna, has Narendra Modi moved heaven to earth to
Mm.
get this position?
Yes, of course, Narendra Modi has moved heaven to earth to get this position.
क्या इस स्थान को हासिल करने के लिए नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जमीन आसमान एक किया है?
हाँ सर, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने यह स्थान पाने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर दिया।
Now you have to ask Renu.
Renu Bhabhi had Shubham moved moved heaven to earth to
I'm
create
showing to
something
Ritu only.
to create something.
Yes, he moved heaven to earth to create
Sorry,
something.
Bhabhi.
Yes,
Sorry, Bhabhi.
yes, he had something
Sorry,
created. Yes,
sorry,
he had
Bhabhi.
yes, he had created.
Sorry, Bhabhi.
Okay. Come again. Where I'm missing.
Had Shubham moved heaven to earth to create
Ah,
anything.
okay. Yes, he had moved heaven to earth to create something.
क्या शुभम ने कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक किया था?
हाँ, शुभ उसने कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक किया था. Now it is future perfect tense ना. Okay. So future में आता है will have shall have. Will will India have done will India have moved heaven to earth to solve the electric issue? Ritu?
Yes, India have to move heaven to earth. अरे यार सर हमको नहीं बन रहा है आज कुछ.
Okay, Aparna will answer.
Renu Bhabhi, of course, India will have moved heaven to earth to to solve
Solve the
electric problem issue. To solve electric issue.
अच्छा क्या इंडिया इलेक्ट्रिक इशू सॉल्व करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर चुकेगी?
We have to take na time. Future
टाइम भी
perfect. नहीं. हाँ
चुकेगा.
भाभी. हाँ भाभी. इंडिया इलेक्ट्रिक इशू को सॉल्व करने के लिए जमीन आसमान एक कर चुकेगा.
ओके.
By 2024.
नाउ पर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस ना.
Present perfect continuous. हाँ.
Present perfect continuous.
Tense.
हाँ.
Actually, in this tense, time will come. Aparna.
Time will come. Sorry.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So in previous, time is not there.
हाँ.
Are you trying?
It's my
Yeah.
go now.
Yeah, it's your go. Yeah.
Has
To whom are you asking, Aparna?
Renu Bhabhi, I'm asking
No,
to
Ritu.
Ritu. Okay, Ritu, I'm asking to Ritu.
Okay, ask.
Ritu, has Jija ji will have been moving, will have moved. नहीं. अच्छा ये तो फ्यूचर
I have not
present
given
perfect.
this tense.
Okay.
I have not given this tense so far.
हाँ सर ने कुछ भी नहीं दिया, ब्लैंक है ये वाला पे.
Present perfect continuous है ना?
So you
Has
have given. Yeah, you have given, sir.
Uh,
Present perfect continuous tense है given by you.
I
I
know,
think रहेगा.
but Aparna is using future perfect continuous tense.
हाँ हाँ
I have
हाँ.
not, I have never given future perfect continuous. Actually, here Aparna, you should use how long. It will look good. It will sound good.
Okay, sir.
And you
How
can put
long?
simple you subject because you are asking to Ritu. You subject.
Okay, sir. How long have you? How long have you moved? नहीं, how long have you how long have you been moving heaven to earth? mm, to get ready. नहीं.
You are asking to Ritu. This is enough. How long have you been moving heaven to earth? It's enough. Ritu answer.
How long have you been um moving to Earth? I've been, moving heaven to earth for
Come,
last 25
come
years.
again. I could not hear the
Come
first
again.
word. I think your mic was mute. You were mute.
Why is it stopping?
Aparna, mute. Aparna, mute yourself.
I
Thank
have
you.
been moving. I have been moving heaven to earth for last 25 years.
आप कितने समय से ऋतु आप कितने
ये ऐसे क्यों प्रयोग करती? कितने दिनों पूछ लो, कितना प्रैक्टिकल लगता है। कब
हाँ
से? कब
कितने
से पूछ लो, कब से?
आप कब से जमीन आसमान एक कर रही हैं?
मैं पिछले 25 सालों से जमीन आसमान एक कर रही
To learn English. Okay.
I have not given you past perfect, or have I given?
Yes,
So you
you
have
have
given
perfect.
Okay. So
past perfect
Future
continuous tense
perfect
is given.
also. Future
Yeah.
perfect continuous. So you have given.
Ritu, past perfect continuous. There is no need to turn the pages, and if you are turning, so please mute yourself. तुझ पे है कहाँ सब तरसते यहाँ टिंग टडिंग टिंग टडिंग टिंग टडिंग टिंग टडिंग
Sir, I have to ask something.
Oh,
Yes, yes,
Okay, you
sure,
have to
go.
ask in past perfect continuous tense, Ritu. Have you written? Please open that page now.
I have opened that
Yeah, now
page.
you can make easily. Yeah.
Past perfect. Uh,
और अगर सरलता चाहती हो तो जो सवाल अपर्णा ने तुमसे पूछा था उसमें एक वर्ड बस बदलेगा, पूरा की पूरा सेम पूछ सकती हो रेनू से।
Renu, how long had you been uh, moving heaven to earth?
Okay, that's all. No
Yes.
extension. Okay. I am moving heaven to earth.
Sorry,
Since
please.
No, sorry.
I have been. I have
How
been.
long you been? I said.
Yeah. I have been moving. I. How long had.
Sorry, Bhabhi.
Come again, Ritu?
How long had you been moving heaven to earth?
Okay. I had been moving heaven to earth uh, since 2000.
आप कब से जमीन आसमान एक कर रही थी?
मैं 2000 से जमीन आसमान एक कर रही थी. Okay. Now it is a future continuous tense.
There is no tense rest now.
Okay. So future
Write down. No, I have not given future perfect continuous. The last sentence was पाक वर्ल्ड कप हार गया है, right?
Yes, sir.
The next sentence is रितेश लंदन चला गया है. रितेश लंदन चला गया है. पूर्ण विराम. Write down one more sentence after leaving one line. एक लाइन छोड़कर एक और वाक्य लिखिए. Write down one more sentence after leaving one line. क्या आप कभी लंदन गए हैं? क्या आप कभी लंदन गए हैं? प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह. Write down one more sentence after leaving one line. एक लाइन छोड़कर एक और वाक्य लिखिए. हाँ, मैं वहां हो आया हूँ. यू आर लेडीज तो लिखिए हाँ मैं वहां हो आई हूँ. हाँ मैं वहां हो आई हूँ. पूर्ण विराम. राइट डाउन वन मोर सेंटेंस आफ्टर लिविंग वन लाइन. अच्छा ये बताइए इसमें आदि बोधक चिन्ह. आप वहां कितनी बार हो आई हैं? आप वहां कितनी बार हो आई हैं? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Do you remember, ladies, who made last sentence? As far as I remember,
Sarika
Ritu
है.
made. Sarika made.
I have made.
ऋतु ऋतु हाँ.
पाक वर्ल्ड कप हार गया है.
Okay. So after Ritu, whose go is it? Renu, is it your go,
So
Aparna?
Sarika's go. हाँ, तो Sarika is absent, so it's my go.
Okay, Aparna, go ahead.
The sentence is रितेश लंदन चला गया है. This
Correct.
sentence belongs to present perfect tense. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is Ritesh. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Later on, I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is gone. Then I will take the uh, to conjunction. नहीं, conjunction नहीं. Uh, to has gone. Preposition. Preposition. Two. Lastly, I will take the extension object. Yeah, extension object. London. And the object is London. And lastly, I will put the full stop. And the sentence is Ritesh has gone to London.
Only write it down, ladies. Do not speak because the next sentences are related to questioners.
Okay. Uh, this sentence is related to present perfect tense. It is an inverted sentence. Firstly, I will take the inverted, nahi, the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Have I gonna have so have then I will take the subject, and the subject is you. uh, Thereafter I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is visited or gone. Visited. Then I will take the object, and the object is London. Ever. At the end I will put London ever, sir. कभी के लिए ever. Ever is a extension, and London is a object. At the end I will put the question mark, and the sentence is, have you ever visited London? Have you visited London ever? Sorry.
There is a something when we used to say that have you ever been
बीस
there?
का 20 का चाहिए अभी चाहिए कि बाद में?
हमको
Sir,
20
have
का अभी चाहिए कि बाद में?
sir, actually the sentence
अभी
is, have you
चाहिए.
ever visited London, na? Actually the sentence is, have you ever visited London? But now as far as making sentence is concerned, so I made that sentence like that. But I have written, have you ever visited London?
Okay, let Ritu try. Later on, finally, Aparna will try. Who has
Yes,
to make this sentence, Ritu?
yes, sir, I'm trying.
इतना तो बोल ही दिया करो, उससे एक चैप्टर का प्रयोग हो जाता है. Who has to make this sentence?
So I have to make that sentence.
यह
The
वाक्य किसको बनाना है?
यह वाक्य मुझे बनाना है. That sentence belongs to present perfect tense, and it is an inverted sentence. Firstly, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is have. Then
ऋतु एक चीज पूछ लेते हैं, लास्ट चल रहा है अपना टेंसेस का, फिर ये इसको पूछने की जरूरत अब पड़ेगी ही नहीं, इसलिए पूछ लेते हैं एंड में. कैसे पहचाना बेटा कि ये इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस?
इसमें हिंदी वाक्य में पहले क्या आया है, इसलिए हमने
वेरी नाइस. और इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने का नियम भी बता दो, 3 उंगलियों वाला.
इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए सब्जेक्ट के बाद वाले वर्ड को उठा के सब्जेक्ट के पहले रख देते हैं.
वेरी नाइस. गो अहेड.
Then I will take the subject, and the subject is uh,
I think you were mute. I did not listen the starting. Please, can you come again?
firstly I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is have. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Then I will take the second form of verb, went. I went. Then I will take the preposition and preposition to. And then I will take the object, and the object is London. And lastly, I will put the question mark. Went to London.
Well tried, Ritu, well tried.
नहीं
Very
went
good.
नहीं आएगा, went गलत हो गया.
Now, Aparna will try.
फटाफट 20 डी दे दूं पहले. Should I give 20 D? Or should I make a sentence?
No,
I
no,
have
no.
to make the sentence.
Make the sentence.
Okay. I have to make the sentence. This sentence belongs to present perfect tense. It is an inverted sentence. Firstly, क्योंकि इसके हिंदी वाक्य में क्या आया है, इसलिए यह इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस है. और इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने के नियम के अनुसार सब्जेक्ट के बाद वाले शब्द को उठाकर सब्जेक्ट के पहले रख देते हैं. तो फर्स्टली आई विल टेक द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, एंड द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज हैव. Later on, I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Then I will take the adverb, and the adverb is ever. Later on, I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is been. Then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is to. And lastly, I will take the object, and the object is London. And the last of the sentence, I will put the question mark. Have you ever been to London? Renu Bhabhi,
Aparna,
have you ever been?
तुमने तो इसको प्रयोग किया, बोल दिया, बता दिया, लेकिन इस क्लास के अधिकतर बच्चे बीन का प्रयोग देखते ही साथ एकदम शांत हो जाते हैं. उन्होंने कभी बीन का प्रयोग ध्यान नहीं किया होता, नोटिस नहीं किया होता. तो यहाँ पे कोई है जो शौक हुआ हो ऋतु, रेणु में? Ritu, are you there? Renu, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here, and I'm shocked. Have you ever been to London?
Renu, are you there? No. Renu is not there. तो दोस्तों, अब तुम्हारे अपर्णा तुम्हें पता है, इसलिए तुमने बड़े आसानी से इसको.
I'm leaving the meeting.
तो हम वो रेफरेंस दिखा देते हैं ताकि ऋतु को अच्छा लगेगा. और ये जो हम रेफरेंस दिखाते हैं बेटा ऋतु, ये केजी की बुक से हमने लिया है, अपन सबने पढ़ा है और बच्चों को भी पढ़ाया है. तो हम कैमरा स्विच करके दिखा रहे हैं. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
पहले मैं पढ़ देता हूँ, इसके बाद अपर्णा, फिर ऋतु, है ना? Pussy cat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, where did you there? What did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. चलो छोटे बच्चे बन जाते हैं पढ़ना.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been London. I have been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do? What did you there?
हाँ ये ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग है लेकिन कविता में ये सब चलता है बेटा.
What did you do there? Huh? I frightened a little mouse under the chair.
I frightened a little mouse under the chair.
I frightened the little mouse
ये
under the chair.
सोना की बुक का है. बचपन स्कूल याद होगा तुम्हें.
हाँ
तब से
हाँ
बचा के रखा. केजी क्लास का है. और सोचो केजी क्लास में इस लेवल की चीजें. अब पोयम तो बड़े बड़े राइटर लोग लिखते हैं ना बेटा, तो वो तो हाई फाई चीजें लिख देते, कॉमन रहती है. तो बेटा रितु कहीं पर होकर आने के लिए हम गो क्रिया का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं.
ओके सर.
उसमें इसलिए तुम हिंदी सेंटेंस में ध्यान से देखना लिखा है कि आप वहां हो आए हैं. तो अगर आप यहाँ मौजूद हैं, अगर कोई व्यक्ति जाने की क्रिया कर रहा है तब तो गो लगेगा. इसलिए हमने जो ऊपर वाला सेंटेंस दिया ना, अभी तक मिटाया नहीं, कि रितेश
हाँ.
लंदन चला गया है. तो रितेश ने जाने की क्रिया की है, वो यहाँ मौजूद नहीं है. लेकिन
ओके
तुम
सर.
यहाँ मौजूद हो और मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या तुम कभी लंदन गई हो. तो अभी तुम जाने की क्रिया नहीं कर रही है, इसलिए यहाँ पे बी क्रिया का प्रयोग ये बचपन से होता आ रहा है. आज के बाद तुम्हें बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू वगैरह होते ना, इसमें तुम्हें सुनाई देगा हीरो हीरोइन के खूब मात्रा में बीन सुनाई देता. अपर्णा ने कई बार यूज किया बातचीत करते समय. और डिक्शनरी में भी देखोगे तो बी का ये वाला मीनिंग निकलेगा. अब चूंकि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है, थर्ड फॉर्म रखना है, इसलिए इनको बीन रखना पड़ा. तो ये एकदम से हजम नहीं होता, लेकिन जब हम ये दिखा देते हैं बच्चों को तो फिर उनको अच्छे से. और हमारे पास और भी रेफरेंसेस हैं. अपने को बहुत सारे रेफरेंसेस में सीरियल्स में और मूवीज में देखने मिलेंगे. और जैसे अपर्णा शेयर कर देती है ना, किसी भी चीज की चर्चा होती, कभी सारिका शेयर कर देती है, तो तुम्हें व्हाट्सएप के मैसेजेस में भी मिलेगा देखने को, और बहुत सारी जगहों पे इसका प्रयोग मिलेगा.
ओके.
तो बी क्रिया का प्रयोग हम केवल होना, बनना और रहना के लिए करते आ रहे हैं. लेकिन एक ये अनोखा प्रयोग है, और चूंकि अब तुम्हें केजी की बुक दिख गई है तो तुम्हारे मन में इसको लेकर अब विरोध नहीं होगा. हम इसका थोड़ा सा अभ्यास कल भी करेंगे, क्वेश्चनिंग आंसरिंग करेंगे, तो आज का जो सीखा है अपन ने कल रिवीजन जैसा हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
तो अभी अपन इसको विराम दे देते हैं.
ओके सर.
और एवर को बिल्कुल सही बताया अपर्णा ने, वो एडवर्ब है. लगाया तो रितु ने वहीं था, मुंह से भी वहीं निकला, लेकिन वो उसको एक्सटेंशन बोल रही थी. तो फिर से देख लो इस चीज को रितु की. सेंटेंस मेकिंग इज नॉट इशू इन दिस क्लास. इट इज नेवर इम्पोर्टेंट, because while making sentence you speak so much English, that is important. And everybody cannot be good in grammar, so don't worry about that and don't be guilty about that, है ना. Okay, Sarika is very good in grammar, so everybody cannot be good in grammar. And in as far as Hindi is concerned Ritu, we always speak wrong things. पापा की चटनी बना देना, दादाजी कहाँ है, वो तो ऊपर चले गए, ये सड़क किधर जाती है, तो सड़क तो किधर भी नहीं जाती है. तो ये
यस सर.
ऐसी गलतियां हम हिंदी में भी करते आ रहे हैं, तो उसमें तो गिल्टी फील नहीं करते हैं.
नो नो सर, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गिल्टी. आई एम लर्निंग.
हाँ, दैट इज गुड, दैट इज गुड. तो बढ़िया ऐसे ही पूरी क्लास ज्वाइन करो और गलतियां करो, खूब करो, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो यहाँ विराम देते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. गॉड ब्लेस.
Sir, have a nice day.
Have a nice